our viewers. It is very, very windy today at the inlet. But we have my husband here who is digging for aliens, aka sand fleas, and he just found a big one. Here is a big old sand flea. Ta-da! That's what we are out here for. Sand fleas are good pompano bait and jackfish bait. Ooh, he has found another one, guys. Ooh, that is a big one. We got two big ones.
And another one.
And another one, guys. And another one. Oh, man.
And another one.
And another one. We got four in this one scoop, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all of them. We're going to go. Oh, he found a small one. Yep, and there's a little runt. We're going to take this back up to our bucket, which is up here far away from the ocean waves so it doesn't get sucked out to sea. We're going to add it to the collection that we've already started. Boop, boop. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Okay, let's see if we can get some more. He is captured. Oh my goodness! He has got another one. It's gonna be about time to pass the baton over to the northerner right here to have him get a shot. And this northerner's already got burnt a little bit, being down here in the Florida sun for the past week. Some more. Oh, I would. No, I wouldn't. I would cook it and eat it. I'm not going to eat it raw. No.
If you get 30 likes, you have to eat one.
30 likes.
7 likes.
7 likes.
How was it? You still won't have to eat it until next year.
I know, right? There we go. We're collecting them up. We're going to do it again. Take it back up here to the bucket. I'll show you how we do it. Also got the crazy Matson.Outdoors boys here. We got to keep a close eye on these guys because they kind of keep getting out there a little bit. All it's going to take is one rip current to suck these guys straight out.
What's the chance of getting bit by a shark?
Speaking of that, I actually thought I just literally just think I just saw a fin. Maybe it was a stick. But the chances of getting bit by a shark during this time of year, it's kind of up there. Especially since we were just fishing the other day and the guy said that he's seen the black tip.
Oh, about 90%.
About, I would say around 80%.
Let's go get one.
We're gonna watch Fisher take a wave to the face. Ah, that wave was funny. Here we go, here comes a big wave.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ready?
My husband will show you viewers on how to dig up for sand fleas. So you see he's got his mighty sand flea shovel. So he's gonna scoop after a wave goes by. They'll come up and filter feed. You scoop as the wave goes out. You take this pile of sand that you got, and as the waves come up, you shaky, 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 shaky. Until you see some sand fleas. Shake it in the water, it gets all that extra loose sand out. Leaves only the bigger particles behind.
See any?
And it looks like we got nothing that time. Got another scoop. We're gonna try it again and see if we get any this time. don't see nothing this time either. We lied to you guys. Ha ha ha, and you watched it for nothing. Of course, the time I decided not to record thinking we weren't gonna get crap, we ended up getting a small one. He keeps finding some more, of course, when I have the camera off.
Another one.
He got another one. Gonna try to get it though. It's in here, guys. We're trying to get it. There it is. Got 4 of them. Viewers, we're on the other side here in the inlet. The waves started to get kind of bit rough and we weren't too sure about having the kids out there. What is going on here? I don't know. But yeah, we came over to this calmer side where the kids can swim. They can go critter hunting over there by flipping the rocks and seeing what cool sea creatures they can find. But let's finish this day out before we completely lose the sun all the way. Little lagoon area. The water is crystal clear. It's like a nice lukewarm. We got the fish swimming. Got the hubby there, the other boy, and then my husband's twin. Oh Jesus, that would be so embarrassing. Well, let's see if they find any critters while snorkeling. Viewers, I don't think we're gonna see a whole bunch going on. I'm over here in the little tide pool part with Fisher while the other 3 are out there swimming. As you can see here, we got some young baby sergeant majors swimming around these rocks. I don't have a net to catch anything. So I'm gonna end the video off here, guys. Maybe we'll be able to come back out to the inlet here very soon and try some other things. Maybe do some surf fishing or crabbing. Not sure. Anything. But I'm gonna end it off here, guys, with this beautiful sunset going down. Yeah, it's a little cloudy, but that's okay. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please tell your friends and family about us and hit that like button and notification bell, please. We appreciate all your guys' support and look forward to making more videos for you guys. Thank you. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Spotted a pair of manatees here in the tide pool. We're walking slowly and cautiously up to it, see how close we can get. Always remember, do not disturb or touch your manatees out in the wild. Just observe from a distance and enjoy their presence. The water is getting deeper. I don't know, but I found it. But the water's getting pretty deep. I'm not that tall of a person. It's right here. Oh no! I'm above my waist now. There's 2 of them. There's one right here and one right there.
Oh, that's one big one, isn't it?
Oh, maybe it is. Look, there's the manatee, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's gonna come up. Right here. There's his back. Or his head. I'm so nervous being this far out. There was 2 of them. Just so you guys know, or if you don't remember, I am absolutely terrified of manatees. I'm just trying to be brave right now for YouTube.
Why didn't manatee attack survivor?
Yes, I am. I am a manatee survivor. No. They're super powerful.
What's it gonna do? Bring you out to the eating?
No, they can drown you and knock you out. It easily almost drowned me many years ago.
Why would it do?
I got thrown out of a canoe and they ended up, it hit like their tails and stuff and a whole herd of them and we ended up getting shoved to the bottom. Because, oh my God, his head's right here. His head's right here. It's right here. It is huge. Oh, here's his head. Here's his head. Here's his head. There's his head. Oh no, his tail's gonna hit me. Oh my goodness.
Is it eating this stuff?
I don't know if he's eating this or not. It seems like where he's going, a lot of the stuff's popping up. Another one here, and this one's in a little bit of shallower water. Sorry guys if the wind is loud and blowing this phone. Oh. Don't scare me like that, sweetie. I'll smack you. Look at this one. Here's this back. Oh, I like this. Okay, so now I'm back up to my waist in water. Ooh, this water is really... It's a smaller one.
If I lay next to it, do you think you can tell us apart?
Probably not.
Right.
Ooh, here it is, guys, right here.
This is tail.
Here's his tail. It's going this way.